Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lennox. Happy birthday to you. Yay, buddy, let's eat this.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, ready, buddy? Eat it. Eat.
Eat.
Here. You'll get yours in a minute, Indy. Let's give it to your brother first. Yummy! First real sugar for him.
Can that Bodo have a bite?
Yes,
You can have a
Andy's
bite.
going to have a bite.
And down. Can you still have
What
a
do you
bite?
think? Huh? Yeah. Yummy! Yummy! Oh, just for the frosting. Oh.
You like that? Happy birthday.
Yum!
Yeah, that's much tastier than Indy's first birthday cake.
Yep. Indy's was just made with
Carrots.
applesauce and organic sugar or bananas and whatever.
Yeah, it's all about being the second child.
Yeah. Yay!
Well, I would say he likes sugar.
Yeah, I think he's got my palate for food. What about this kind? You like any of that? Nice. Oh, that frosting hunk. What about some of this? Mama needs to try a little.
Yay.
Whoa, that's pretty good. We're all jealous now.
Miss Ruby wants some.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Yum, 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 yum.